This is our what is it? A semi. This is our tent in Ngorongoro. Gotta zip it closed so mosquitoes don't come in. This is powered by solar, so you only have light, solar lights. Our desk, sorry, as you can see, our luggage. His heater is turned on in the evenings. What I love about camp has been what we call wake up coffee. We tell them what time we want to wake up, and they knock on our door with fresh coffee. This is the bathroom. There is a toilet in there, a real toilet that you can flush. And then here you have what they call a talking shower. So basically, a guy outside fills the bucket with hot water. You pull to bring the water down and pull to stop it. And then you tell him, oh, it's too hot, or it's too cold, or it's just right. But that's pretty much what you do. The only thing about in Tanzania is that they don't wash your underwear for you. They'll wash everything except the underwear. So you have to wash that yourself, which is no big deal. This is outside our tent. It's really nice, actually. They put a hot water bottles on the bed to keep you nice and toasty, and it's really, really warm. It's kept me warm the whole night.